हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। दोस्तों, आज जो प्रोडक्ट हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं वो होने वाला है पेपा पिग का किचन सेट। और दोस्तों, इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि एट द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो हम जो अपनी प्रीवियस वीडियो के गिव अवे का जो रिज़ल्ट है वो हम अनाउंस करने जा रहे हैं। सो इस वीडियो को प्लीज़ आप जो पूरा देखिए, कंप्लीट देखिए, क्योंकि एट द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो आपको वो नाम हम बताएंगे जो कि पिछली वीडियो का विनर है। सो चलिए दोस्तों, इस वीडियो को हम स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं। सो ये है पेपा पिग की तरफ से किचन सेट। कुछ इस तरीके की इसकी पैकेजिंग होने वाली है। सो दिस इज़ फ्रॉम पेपा। सो दिस इज द बैक साइड ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट। सो लेट्स नॉट वेस्ट एनी मोर टाइम एंड लेट्स क्विकली ओपन दिस पैकेट। At the top you can see the Peppa. Look at this, Peppa. Let's open it. Okay, the first product that we get is, okay, so this is the sweet cake. This is a sweet cake for Peppa. Sweet cake for sweet Peppa. Look at this. Now we have 2 cups. 2 little tiny cups for Peppa and family. Look at this. These are also beautiful. Ooh, now we have the frying pan. This is also for Peppa. Look at this. This is also beautiful. Can open it. Oh, let me just open it. It's packed. So there you go. You can open it. So this is for Peppa. Peppa Pig. Now the next product. Ooh, we have some juices also. Look at this. This is the orange juice. And this is mixed juice. Look at this. Now the next product is, oh, we have the saucer. We have the saucer plate. This is again for Peppa. Look at this. Very small, very tiny Peppa Pig saucer. Now we have Peppa spoon. Look at this. White spoon for Peppa. Oh, this is the cooktop. This is again for Peppa. Peppa is going to make food. Look at this. This is for Peppa. Peppa cooktop. Oh, look at this. This is the cooktop base where Peppa will be preparing the food. See? So beautiful. Peppa is going to make food for Peppa and family. So beautiful. And we have some extra saucer and one big spoon. Look at this. This is also beautiful, isn't it? So this was the entire review of Peppa kitchen set. Peppa is going to prepare food for family. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you get all such videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and it's time to announce the winner of this beautiful product. Look at this. So the winner of this product is Parvaz. So many congratulations, Parvaz. You have won this. Look at this. Parvaz has won this superhero set. So Parvaz, please contact us with your mailing address so that we can dispatch this product for you. And keep watching and keep liking our videos. Thank you so much for watching again. Bye bye. Take care.